but for pharmacology I used God of Pharmacology. Oh my God. Hello everyone, this is Dr. Anji Premchandani from Batch 2019. Today in this video, I'll be telling you about the sources that I used for my NEET PG preparation and also for the November INSET sources. So basically, I'll be start telling prof wise. In first prof, I for anatomy, physiology, and biochemistry, I used Marrow. For second year subjects like pathology and microbiology, I used Marrow, but for pharmacology, I used God of Pharmacology. Oh my God, GRG sir, he's just the best. At third year, I for Opthel, PSM, ENT, and FMT, I used Marrow again, and for the final year subjects, I used Marrow for all of them. So basically, when my internship started, I started preparing for it. But my main focus was to complete my final year subjects. Like if I left any year, I did left. Like I didn't study psychiatry, orthopedics. There in my final year, so I had this mindset that I am gonna finish first of all my final year subject. I think the two ways to stay consistent with your hours is first put timer technique. Timer is something like there is an app, like everybody in their phone also they have this app. Go to the clock option in your app, okay, and then you go for the stopwatch and just okay, and make sure that you are providing yourself with ki yaar I'm doing daily kitne hours, and it keeps you in check. Moreover, that what I like to do is like keeping my hours in check. Like whenever I used to sit there, either my phone or either my tablet clock, I used to open it, and it's like the time is running, I have to do it, I have to do it. So there was something that was on my head, kept ki yaar you have to keep on going. Okay, it's your time to start right now at this point while you're watching this video. Start it right now, and it doesn't matter which subjects you're starting, you just have to start and it will just keep on going. Right now it's December, and maybe 6 or 7 months you'll be having your NEET PG. So it's better to start right now and just be consistent. And I kept telling you that consistent with your hours. I'm not telling you to put 8 hours or 10 hours daily, but at least put 5 hours or 6 hours daily, because internship के साथ पढ़ना it's very difficult, I know, but try to utilize the internship hours while you're doing internship there. Try to take some time or 10 to 15 minutes and do MCQs there itself. Like what I used to do whenever I was provided with some work, and whenever I used to go to some postings in meanwhile I used to do MCQs like Marrow ke. It's very easy to do it, although they kept interrupting, but what you have to maintain is your consistency about the MCQs. Okay, even if you're getting some time after punching, you can just do practice MCQ there itself. And the most important thing that I would like to tell you is put the timer on. I think the two most important reason, if somebody has to ask me about my consistency, is the use of this timer rule.